Hello everyone, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back and welcome if you're new. If you're one of my new subscribers, a special shout out to you. Today's video is home cleaning motivation. This is an open collaboration and the hosts are the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Sonia Down South. Home cleaning motivation occurs on the first Monday of the month at 7 p.m. So if you are so inclined to share an area of your home that you would like to clean up, come along and join in. Today, as you can see, guys, I am dusting up this dining room. I'm dusting these blinds. As you can see, I dusted up my bar cart. I'm going to dust off the dining table and my curio and a couple of other side tables in this room. So come along and stick with me while I refresh this room. You guys see that I did get some curtains for this room. I decided to get white because it's light and airy, as you can see. And spring and summer are just around the corner. And I am so over the winter decor, guys. I am ready to move on to spring. I have to look on the calendar and see when spring is coming. But I'm ready for some pops of color. And so I thought that these white curtains kind of lend to the nice, airiness of the room. So, come along with me. I hope that you like this video. I hope it gives you some cleaning motivation for your home. Let me know. And if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would love for you to join the family of friends of Jean Home Decor and More. I would really thank you from the bottom of my heart, guys. Okay, so I'm going to leave you to some music. Please watch to the end. And again, have an amazing day.